We're about to enter the late afternoon as we continue going through the first weekend of May. May 2nd, 2026, Ian Hayes here along with the ATSF Rail Fan and Johnny Mata, 1547, coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin with another video lined up for you. Southbound on the way, then met the extra 301 at Murray. Let's check them out on the road bias. We'll lean back and get them. Here we go. GS44 to lead it. $29.30. Wreck repair. 106. Wow. Didn't expect a wreck repair to be on there, but why not? In a fast. Coming up! C6M rebuild! 3358! M340, here's the last of it. GTW 633, excuse me. How about that? Didn't expect that at all. So that'll do it for the M30241 of the first, and we'll do it for that wreck repaired. See you in 2930, 3106 second, and the DP of the 3358. This video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you next time. We'll see you down the main line. See you, and he's out.